Guys, we are just about to head out on the road. So you can see we got the case loaded up and just putting the cooler in the truck, and we're headed to the Riverfest. So got to make a couple stops on the way. Ice, beef sticks of course, and then we'll head down there, but stay tuned. Hey guys, well, today we're going to get the loader put back on the M, get that out of the driveway temporarily until I can figure out when I'm going to be able to do the belly pump seals, and then we'll take the loader back off so I can easily get to the belly pump. But today I've got to do, the other day I did some brush clearing in the trees here in the front grove, or the rock and rust garden as I like to call it. So I cleared a lot of the little saplings and all that stuff out of here, because our open house is coming up here in a couple weeks, and I just want to make sure it's looking good. So cleared a bunch of that stuff out. So I got to get this brush pile moved into the big brush pile, and I also want to clear out some of the brush in the back there behind. I don't know if you guys can see the John Deere parked over there, but I want to clear some of that out so it's pushed back a ways, and maybe on that property line too. But I don't want to really get rid of, I got some nice lilac bushes and stuff in here, a lot of raspberries. I don't really want to get rid of that stuff, but maybe if I could open up this area some and go from there. But we did have a little event down in Anoka that was pretty good. It was really hot on Saturday, but it was pretty good. And brought the Case SC down there. I took a little video and a few pictures, which I'll probably splice in now. It was just a small event for the Nowthen Historical Power Association, the group that hosts the Nowthen Threshing Show. They asked if I wanted to bring out one of my tractors to help them with their display, and of course I said yes. So it was a good time, a lot of people, really hot, but here's some video from that and a couple of photos, and after that we'll put the loader back on. But before I do that, I got a new mount. It's a magnetic mount that's rubber coated for the GoPro, so we'll see how that works on the tractor. But anyways, we'll show you the video, show you the photos, and get on the tractor. that easy. Let's get the tools put away and we'll start clearing some brush. that wasn't a very interesting video, but at least you guys get to see kind of how the loader goes on, and a little bit of brush clearing, but we didn't we're not going to get to the stuff in the backyard today. That might be Friday, but it is what it is. Sometimes you don't get as much done as you plan, but horseflies are bad out here this year. I don't know what it is, but they're all over the place. But anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for wrenching with me. Stay tuned, because I got a possible surprise update for you guys. So stay tuned for that, and take care.